In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a bill in Wave. To begin, first head over to your Wave dashboard. Once you are there, locate the left-hand side menu and click on the Purchases option. This will expand the menu, revealing additional options. From here, click on Bills, which will take you to the Bills section. If this is your first time creating a bill, you will see the option labeled Create Your First Bill. Click on it to proceed. The first step in creating a bill is selecting a vendor. Click on the Vendor drop-down menu to view your list of vendors. If you have not added any vendors yet, you can watch our video on how to add a vendor in Wave. After choosing your vendor, the currency will automatically align with the vendor's currency, and the exchange rate between your currency and the vendor's currency will be automatically calculated. Vendor's currency will also be displayed. Next, set the bill date, which defaults to the current day. You can also set a due date if needed. Additionally, if your vendor has provided an invoice number, you can enter it here, and you may also add a personalized note for reference. Following this, you need to enter the details of the items or services included in the bill. Start with the item box, where you can select from previously created items. Selecting an existing item will automatically fill out the remaining fields, including category, description, quantity, price, and tax. This feature saves time and reduces errors. You can also manually fill in these details if preferred. To create a new item, click on the Item drop-down menu and select Add New Product. First, enter the name of product or service. Then select the category from this drop-down menu and enter the price. At last, you can also type a brief description if you want. Once done, click Add Product and the system will automatically fill in the remaining details for future use. Once all information has been entered, the bill will display the total amount, the amount due, and the total in your own currency. Review all details, and when everything is correct, click the Save button. Your bill will now appear in the Bills section as unpaid until you record a payment, and this is how you can create a bill in Wave.